हमने जिंदगी लाइव दिखाई। कल शाम से 6 बजे से लगातार हम लाइव है और यहाँ पर सभी मौजूद हैं। टीचर आप बताइए आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत ही खुशी लग रही है यहाँ भी, और हमारी शुभकामनाएं सर के साथ है। हम सब बहुत खुश हैं आज।
देखिए 72 घंटे का रिकॉर्ड कोई मामूली बात नहीं है। आपका यहाँ पर छात्र आए हुए हैं 3 दिन तक। आप कल हमारे साथ चैनल 7 पर जिंदगी लाइव करती नजर आई देर रात तक।
जी हाँ, और आज हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है, और इन नन्हे बच्चे जिनको सर ने ट्रेन किया उनको तो आज इतनी खुशी हो रही है।
लेकिन यहाँ पर बोलने के लिए सभी लालायित हैं। आप बताइए आप क्या बोलना चाहती हैं? आपके चेहरे पर मुस्कान खुशी साफ झलक रहा है, आप एकदम हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हैं।
एज ए टीचर आई फील ऑन सर, आई जस्ट प्राउड सर कि सर ने इतना अच्छा रिकॉर्ड बना रहे हैं। रियली टीचर के हिसाब से मुझे बहुत।
देखिए यहाँ पर जो माहौल, आप बताइए।
मेरे को तो इतनी खुशी हो गई है कि मैं आसमान की जो जानिए वो भी कम है।
देखिए दिल की धड़कन थाम कर रखिए। हम चैनल 7 पर आपको सबसे बड़ी खबर सुनाने वाले हैं। लीजिए आप दिल थाम कर बैठिए और रिकॉर्ड अब बहुत जल्द टूटने वाला है। बिल्कुल
और ये रिकॉर्ड ऐसा होगा जो ना भूते ना भविष्य थे, और ठाकुर कॉलेज का नाम पूरा दुनिया में अजरमल होगा। और मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी बात है कि मेरे बच्चे का कल बर्थडे था, मैं नए घर में भी जा रहा।
Degree of comparison is very difficult lesson, but we are going with a very short span of time. Are you ready? Yes! Are you ready, son? No? Yes! Okay, get ready. Look in front. Beta, look in front, all of you. Question is that time starts now. But use here longer than any other. That you are watching it over here. Here has. So we start with no other. No other before. Is as long as here Ganga is longer than any other river. So straight time is over. Sit straight, look in front. Only one more point I'll explain. How much time is taken, sir? How much time, sir? Okay, 32.53 seconds taken. I'll take one more. I'll say one more time also. And that is, in case of one of the is there, we have to start with very few, and then is becomes R, and was becomes where. Are you ready, sir? No? Okay. So when one of the is there, first word is? I want to see hands sitting straight. Okay, you are watching very few. Okay, first word I am writing, very few, quite. Very few. Next word. Next word, tell me. Once again. Physical, okay, sit straight. Physical it is. Next number. Okay, physical. Factors. Next word. Next word. Loudly. Next word. Important. Next word. Next word. Temperature. Is right or wrong? Right or wrong? Again, first word. Look at the board. Are you ready? Yes! Now look in front. And differences are here for you is that first is has is a helping verb, taken is the main verb. Two verbs are there. Understood yes or no? Yes, sir. Next is main verb is there. Last letter is D, we have to go for didn't. Last letter is D, we have to go for didn't. And S letter is there, we have to go for doesn't. Otherwise we have to go for don't. We have to go for don't. Time is over. How much, sir? Are you ready? Yes, sir. Whenever you are getting this verb, is, am, are verb that is helping verb, then you have to start with the same. Is she? Because not is there. And yet not is not there, so we have to make it isn't she. Isn't she? So when not is there before not, whatever is there, same word you have to write, and then she, the same factor. Understood yes or no? Yes, sir. Loudly. Once again. Absolutely right answer. Big hand. Answer? I. And he, she, they, what will be there? Loudly? Yes. That is correct. Next number. Right answer. Big hand. Go on next lesson. Sir, go on next lesson. Time starts now. Sit straight. Look in front. So from cried, shouted and said, we have to put inverted commas. Rest part what exactly after subject. Is there? Full stop. Before subject. Is there? Question mark. At the end it is exclamation. So the shift of the verb is making the sense of difference. Whenever verb changes its place, the comma, so full stop, question mark and mark of exclamation change. Understood yes or no? Yes! Time is over. Watch there carefully. Are you watching at the slide, yes or no? Yes! I want the question, please. Straight, look in front. Will you go for one more question, yes or no? Yes. No, you want another lesson? Want another lesson? No. Want one more question? Yes. Okay, so one more question they want. Look at the screen. I'm watching how you look at the screen. Tell me the first chain, what you have to do. The old man asked. Now tell me next chain. Last you tell me. Okay, W capital, okay, that is also okay. Then last tell me. What are you doing there, my child? Absolutely right answer. Look at in front. Okay, the question is, see the time starts. Well, quick. I'll say not now because many are looking this side. I don't want any of you. Now for obligation, time starts. Now, obligation, duty, suggestion, advice. Obligation, duty, suggestion, advice is what? Outlay. Obligation, duty, suggestion, advice is should. Obligation to suggestion, advice is then less certainty, wish and possibilities make. What it is? Abilities? Outlay? Certainty, necessity? Dissatisfaction? Moral obligation, desirability, probabilities? Past habit? Challenge? Violation and habit? Command, request, answer straight. Time is over. Sit straight. Sit straight. Look at me. you ready, sir? No? Okay, the question is, you may do as you like. You may do as you like. Obligation. And my champion grammar is coming. Bhavin Singh, a big hand once again. District. Bhavita, come on. Get the answer. You should do as you like. He's saying, you should do as you like. Is right or wrong? Right or wrong? Absolutely right answer. I will teach you this lesson next week. This week. I will teach you this, sorry. And that is less certainty. This week. First word. Once again. Last question now, because I know you can do these things like tip of your fingers. You don't want to waste your time. We'll go for the next lesson, and you want to go for one more question on next lesson? Yes! What question or lesson? Yes! Loudly. Okay, what question? Okay. Okay, question ready? Question, I'll just find one more question for you. And I got the question. The time might come. Hey, Mars 2000 question. The time might come. It's straight. And bracketed is given certainty. Certainty. The straight, start, answer. What will answer? First word. Once again. Absolutely right answer. Big hand. Start change. Next line. Then what happened? One day he made a comparison as. One day he was making comparison and started putting dan. The comparison is as and. Don't say dan. Just remember. So straight. Next actually is, he started, why are you beating dan? He said, concession though. What he said? What he said? Very good. So though, although, even though is concession. He said purpose. Purpose may, he said, so that less. Purpose what he said? Once again? Okay. Then what he said? He said condition. Condition. Unless if. Condition. Condition. Then after that, he start asking you reason. What is the reason for concession? What is the reason? He said. Once again. He's asked, please, where, then he started time. Kitne baje? Before. next slide. Like this. Now tell me, adverb clause of result. Okay. Manner. Compensation. Wow. Concession. Wow. Now tell me what? Purple. What is purple? No. Purpose is not that. So that and? Very good. Now tell me reason. Very good. Once again. Now tell me the place. Once again. Tell me time. Oh, sit straight. See the memory. Sit straight. See the once you're watching, it goes to the brain. That is the memory method, which is used by the great personalities. Dominic Bryan, Vishnu Rai Chaudhary. There are 24 techniques to improve the memory. Again, I'll ask you. Result. Manner. Concession. Look at them. Look in front. For adjective clause, before conjunction, what are getting? And for noun clause, you have to make what question? What do you make? Straight. My first choice is Bhavin Singh. Big hand to him. Come on. We'll go for only 3 questions and finish off. And then we'll go for last. The most difficult is in simple, complex, compound. Just 3 questions and today's session will be over there. Yes, please. Wow. Sit straight. Now sit straight. He'll start from the conjunction. Tell me the conjunction, all of you, in the sentence. This boy is telling adjective clause. Is right or wrong? Right or wrong? Absolutely right answer. Big hand. Look at the board and answer. Sit properly. Correct it is. Which clause? Noun, adjective or adverb? Loudly. Adverb clause is right or wrong? Absolutely correct answer. Next slide please. Next slide. Right or wrong? Wrong. Correct answer. The second sentence, and the time is over. Look at the top, all of you. Look at the top. What is written over? What do you have to cut first of all? Loudly. Once again. conjunction there? Okay, so we have to what? We have to cut. Very good. Now that is outside. That we have cut. Now what else we have to cut? And next one. Yeah, okay. We have got 3 things. That was away. Can you tell me the answer? First word. Listen straight, look in front, very quiet. Bal beta, tell me. It will be cut. Okay, next thing. He is studying it and he still thinks he is cutting. Start. 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 All of this should be done once again. This is the answer to you. Say once again. We cannot neglect the fact. Is right or no? The right answer. Last question of today's. History. First word. Next word. Okay, first word is Jawaharlal. Next word. Lal is already over. After Lal? Loudly! Word. Next word. Next word. Word. Next word. Next word. Next word. Is right or wrong? Right or wrong? Absolutely right answer. Sit down. I look in front and sit straight.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sinha for inviting us in this fantastic program. We have already certified Mr. Sinha for ISO 9000.
A big hand.
Has already given ISO 9000 certification.
But you?
For his greatest achievement as a fastest teaching English grammar. So this program which we attended as an ISO committee, we will highly grateful to Mr. Sinha that they have invited us here for such a fantastic program, and we appreciate all the efforts of Mr. Sinha.
नमस्कार, मैं हूं प्रियंका। आप देख रहे हैं तेज। हम लाए हैं तेज रफ्तार जिंदगी से कदम मिलाती खबरें। फटाफट सबसे पहले खास खबरें। क्या लगातार 72 घंटे तक पढ़ाई करना संभव है? आप शायद इस सवाल के जवाब में नहीं कहते, लेकिन मुंबई के 1-2 नहीं बल्कि 62 छात्र मानते हैं कि ऐसा संभव है। आखिर उन पर जुनून है गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में नाम शामिल करने का। ये छात्र सबसे लंबे समय तक चलने वाली क्लास का हिस्सा बनने की कोशिश में जुटे हैं, जो गुरुवार सुबह 9:53 से शुरू हुई। इस नायाब क्लास में लगातार ग्रामर पढ़ा रहे हैं संजय कुमार सिन्हा। लगातार जागने से 2 छात्रों को चक्कर आने के बाद भी बाकियों का जोश कायम है। अभी तक पोलैंड की एक महिला के नाम पर 72 घंटों तक लगातार क्लास लेने का रिकॉर्ड है। यदि मुंबई की क्लास आज सुबह 9:53 तक चल सकी तो नया रिकॉर्ड कायम हो जाएगा। फटाफट खबरों का सिलसिला जारी रहेगा, लेकिन अभी वक्त है एक ब्रेक का। उससे पहले खास खबरों पर एक नजर।
क्या आप किसी ऐसे क्लास में पढ़ाई करना चाहेंगे जो 1-2 घंटे नहीं बल्कि पूरे 72 घंटे की हो? नहीं, लेकिन मुंबई में एक ऐसी ही क्लास चल रही है। इस क्लास में 62 छात्र अपने शिक्षक संजय सिन्हा से ग्रामर पढ़ रहे हैं। इस क्लास का मकसद है लगातार 72 घंटे की पढ़ाई कर सबसे अधिक ग्रामर के 25,000 सवाल हल करने का। इस रिकॉर्ड के साथ ही क्लास का नाम गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में दर्ज हो जाएगा। गुरुवार सुबह 9:53 पर शुरू हुई यह क्लास आज सुबह 9:53 पर खत्म हो जाएगी।
ये प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेस करने के लिए उन्होंने 25,000 के आसपास क्वेश्चंस तैयार किए। पूरे 25,000 क्वेश्चंस तैयार होने के बाद उन्होंने रामायण, महाभारत, अकबर, बीरबल, कार्टून की जो स्टोरीज है उसको कवर करके ग्रामर के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चंस तैयार किए ताकि जो सेशन है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया जा सके।
10 घंटे खाली सिर्फ बाकी रह गए, बस थोड़ा भी हिम्मत की जरूरत है। वो हम हिम्मत देने के लिए यहाँ पे मतलब सामने खड़े हैं।
एक तरफ हिम्मत देने के लिए अभिभावक मौजूद हैं, दूसरी तरफ आयोजक का चेहरा देखकर लगता है कि वो खासे थके हुए हैं। ताज़ा स्थिति फिलहाल क्या है इस क्लास में, बात करते हैं हमारे संवाददाता विवेक भट्ट से। विवेक, सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे ताज़ा स्थिति क्या है और किन किन रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ना चाहते हैं?
जी ब्रिजेश, ये वाकई काबिले तारीफ जुनून है। यहाँ पे आप खुद देख सकते हैं कितने जोशो खरोश के साथ बच्चे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। ताज़ा स्थिति ये है कि इधर कल रात तक 73 बच्चे मतलब 73 बच्चे यहाँ पर पढ़ाई कर रहे थे और अभी सिर्फ 59 बच्चे रह गए हैं। बाकी के बच्चे बीमार होने की वजह से निकल गए हैं क्लास से। लेकिन फिर भी अगर ये रिकॉर्ड आज 9:53 तक चल जाता है, 9:53 तक इनकी क्लास चल जाती है, तो ये दुनिया के 3 रिकॉर्ड कायम करेगा। एक तो सबसे लंबी क्लास का, दूसरा रिकॉर्ड ये होगा कि इसमें सबसे ज्यादा प्रश्न हल किए जाएंगे क्योंकि इनका लक्ष्य जो है वो 25,000 प्रश्न हल करने का है। और तीसरा रिकॉर्ड ये हो जाएगा कि इसमें सबसे ज्यादा छात्र रहेंगे। और इस तरह से
जी शुक्रिया विवेक इस जानकारी के लिए। विवेक भट्ट हमारे संवाददाता जानकारी दे रहे थे कि कुल 3 रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने की बात की जा रही है इस क्लास, सबसे लंबे क्लास की, सबसे ज्यादा प्रश्न हल करने की और सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे एक ही क्लास में मौजूद होने की। इस पर का ताजा मिजाज आप देखते रहिए आज तक।
आगे बढ़ने से पहले एक बार फिर आइए नजर डालते हैं अब तक की खास खबरों पर। एक प्रोफेसर ने सबसे लंबे समय तक व्याकरण सिखाने में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है। प्रोफेसर सिन्हा पिछले 3 दिन से लगातार विद्यार्थियों को व्याकरण सिखा रहे हैं। उन्होंने 72 घंटे का एक पुराना रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है।
प्रोफेसर संजय कुमार सिन्हा ने 20 अक्टूबर सुबह 9:53 से ही इंग्लिश ग्रामर सिखाना शुरू किया और इस दरमियान कोई भी छात्र अपनी जगह से बिल्कुल नहीं हिला। लगातार ग्रामर के पाठ सीखते सीखते भले ही बच्चों के हाथ थक गए, लेकिन मिस्टर सिन्हा की लगन को देखकर ऐसा लगा कि अगर हौसले बुलंद हो तो कुछ भी नामुमकिन नहीं है।
ऐसा कुछ लगा कि हमको बोर हो गया, नींद आने लगा। We are still fresh.
It when completes the topic and when start you can never know. It's fantastic.
इससे पहले पोलैंड की एक शिक्षिका ने 18 फरवरी 2005 को 69 घंटों तक ग्रामर सिखाने का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया था। गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में अपना नाम दर्ज कराने के लिए मिस्टर सिन्हा ने लगातार 72 घंटों तक ग्रामर सिखाने की ठानी। रिकॉर्ड बनाने की प्रोफेसर सिन्हा के साथ इस मुहिम में बच्चे तो शामिल हुए ही, उनके अभिभावक भी इसे लेकर खासे उत्साहित दिखे।
बहुत अच्छा लगता है, अपॉर्चुनिटी तो ऐसे बार बार तो नहीं मिलती है और उसका विल पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग है।
जैसे जैसे समय बीतता गया, प्रोफेसर सिन्हा और बच्चों का उत्साह भी बढ़ता गया। इससे पहले भी फास्टेस्ट ग्रामर सिखाने में मिस्टर सिन्हा महारत हासिल कर चुके हैं। हेतल गंगर, जी न्यूज, मुंबई।
बजे बॉलीवुड बाजीगर में इस बुलेटिन में इतना ही। नमस्कार।
नमस्कार और सारप्रणाम। सारा से मुंबई में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपके साथ अमितांशु। सबसे पहले इस वक्त की सुर्खियों पर डालें नजर। बांद्रा के बीसीसी हॉल में एक ऐसे शो का आयोजन किया गया जहां मुंबई और गुजरात के 71 छात्रों को लगातार 72 घंटे अंग्रेजी ग्रामर लिखवाकर संजय कुमार सिन्हा गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में अपना नाम दर्ज कराने जा रहे हैं।
ये नजारा है बांद्रा के बीसीटी हॉल में आयोजित एक अनोखे शो का, जहां दुनिया के सबसे फास्ट इंग्लिश ग्रामर टीचर माने जाने वाले संजय कुमार सिन्हा 71 बच्चों को लेकर 72 घंटे मुसलसल ग्रामर सिखाकर नया वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाने जा रहे हैं।
71 स्टूडेंट्स है। अभी पोलैंड के अंदर इसके पहले का रिकॉर्ड है 69 आवर्स का है, जो कंटिन्यू ग्रामर टीचिंग का जो प्रोग्राम है ये 72 का है। हम बताना चाहते हैं कि बच्चे हमारे कैपेबल है, 72 आवर्स जाग सकते हैं, उनको काफी कुछ यहाँ पर सीखने मिल सकता है बच्चों को। और प्रोफेसर के साथ में ये जो बच्चे जो पूरे प्रोग्राम में जागेंगे उनको भी गिनीज बुक के अंदर स्थान मिलेगा, और गिनीज बुक के अंदर अगर स्थान मिलता है तो आगे उनको काफी अच्छा हो सकता है।
इस शो में शामिल छात्रों के स्वास्थ्य की हिफाजत के लिए डॉक्टर भी मुहैया कराए गए हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी छात्र 72 घंटे अपनी जगह से हिल नहीं सकता।
सबसे पहले उनको मानसिक तौर से हम उनको चाहेंगे कि वो बड़े स्ट्रांग हो, और उनके खान पान पे भी विशेष व्यवस्था किए गए। मतलब उनका देखा गया है कि कैसे क्या डाइट उनको लेना चाहिए, कितना इंटरवल होना चाहिए, और उसके हिसाब से योगा का भी कुछ उपयोग हम लोग कर रहे हैं। तो उनकी मनस्थिति जैसे ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेट करके जैसे जो अध्ययन कर रहे हैं तो उसमें उनका कैसा पूरा कंसंट्रेट हो, उस सबको हम लोग ध्यान में रखकर पूरा काम कर रहे हैं बराबर।
गौरतलब है कि इससे पहले पोलैंड ने 69 घंटे इंग्लिश ग्रामर सिखाकर रिकॉर्ड बनाया था, लेकिन लगता है मुंबई में चल रहा 72 घंटे का ग्रामर टीचिंग शो ये रिकॉर्ड तोड़कर गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बुक में अपना नाम दर्ज करा लेगा। अशरफ करीम के साथ अनिल नोटियाल, सहारा न्यूज ब्यूरो, मुंबई।
इस बुलेटिन में इतना ही। ताजा जानकारी के लिए देखते रहे सारा समय मुंबई।
मुंबई में 59 बच्चों ने अपने टीचर के साथ सबसे लंबी क्लास का रिकॉर्ड बनाया। ये क्लास 73 घंटे से ज्यादा चली। चैनल 7 ने इस खबर की लगातार कवरेज की। इस रिकॉर्ड को बनते हुए लाइव चैनल 7 पर दिखाया गया। ये टीचर है संजय कुमार सिन्हा, जो 3 दिन तक बच्चों को अंग्रेजी ग्रामर पढ़ाते रहे। इस मौके पर चैनल 7 ने भी उन्हें बधाई दी। केक काटा गया। 72 घंटे से ज्यादा का ये सफर आसान नहीं रहा। गुरुवार की सुबह जब इस क्लास की शुरुआत हुई तो उसमें 72 छात्र थे, लेकिन क्लास खत्म होने तक यहाँ 59 छात्र बचे। 13 छात्रों को उनकी तबीयत खराब होने पर क्लास से बाहर जाना पड़ा। लगातार जागते रहने की वजह से इन छात्रों का ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ गया।
Good morning, students. Welcome to this grammar session. And today's teaching session will not be an action replay of your classroom, whatever you have studied in your school, but it will be a totally different session. This session has been classified in 3 parts. First, your test session when you are going to be tested, and then secondly, my teaching session, and third, your interaction, your answering session. So I would like to start my testing session for you. How much exactly do you know? in front and tell me the answer. Which tense it is? Raise up hands.
Future perfect continuous tense.
Right here, future perfect continuous. Anybody have different answer? Anybody have different answer? Yes or no? No, sir. Yes or no? No, sir. Very good. I would like to go for the audience poll now. And the audience poll is wrong and right. How many of you are going with wrong answer? Raise up your hands. Okay. So all are going with right answer, 0% wrong answer. And the answer is right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. And the first time the answer is absolutely right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. And I'm so sorry, this is wrong answer. The right answer is future perfect. If you look in front, and we are going for next question. But this time I can assure you will be right. Sit straight, look in front, concentrate for the next question. The question is very easy. Very easy it is. So raise up your hands. It's very easy answer. Raise up a hand, please. Your answer, if you know. Yes.
Simple present tense.
Sit down. I'll write here. Simple present. Another answer? Anybody having? You want to say? Anybody else will try? Okay. Yes, last one. Okay, simple past is another option. Simple past. Okay, sit straight, look in front. Anybody have different answer, yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
How many of you are going with answer number 1, simple present? Raise up your hands. So sorry, 0%. Anybody's going? Okay, 2. Okay, hands down. 2% are going with simple present. 98% are going with simple past. 1 is right and 1 is wrong answer. Sit straight, look in front. 2% are going with simple present, 98% are with simple past. Let me see the answer is right or wrong. Sit straight, look in front. And I would like to lock a simple present. Is right or wrong? Say loudly. Right or wrong? Wrong. Right or wrong? Wrong. Right or wrong? Wrong. And this is absolutely right answer. Don't worry about it. Last question is there for you. And there you will get absolutely perfect answer. Last question. Sit straight, look in front. 2 answers were wrong, don't worry, 3rd answer will be right, I can assure you. The question is, concentrate over here, and the question is, he had to, very easy, it is, discontinue his job. Very easy, raise up a hand and tell me the answer. Very easy it is. Very good, correct. Will you try?
Me?
Yes.
Yeah, past perfect tense.
Very good. Sit down. Past perfect is the first option. Anybody else will go with the second answer? Yes or no? No, sir. Yes or no? No. Yes or no? No, sir. Very good. Sit straight. I would like to go for once again the audience poll with the right and wrong. I think this time you can write towards the proper direction. Sit straight and count. How many of you are going with the wrong answer? Okay, I think this time 0% wrong and 10% with the right answer. And the answer is past perfect is right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. And the first time the answer is absolutely right or wrong? Right. Right or wrong? Right. Wrong answer. For past perfect, you should have this one. Now, I would like to teach you tenses in 30 seconds. So you'll have to be very cautious and careful when my teaching session starts, and the time starts now. First you have to see the last letter of the first helping verb. Which letter is this? L. L for what written? Future. I'll write here future. And then which letter is this? S. S for what written? Perfect. I'll write here perfect. And ing for what written? Continuous. Future perfect continuous tense. The time is over. These 5 letters can cover 12 tenses. And now, your answering session. Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Sit straight. Look in front. Sit straight and look in front. The question is, you will be sleeping there. Which tense it is?
Future.
Which tense?
Future.
Which tense?
Future.
Which tense?
Future.
Future continuous is right or wrong?
Right.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Absolutely right answer. A big hand to the right answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. He had lost his purse. Which tense?
Past perfect.
Which tense?
Past perfect.
Which tense?
Past perfect.
Past perfect is right or wrong?
Right.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Absolutely right answer. Sit straight and look in front. Last question of today's, or two more questions. We'll take. Sit straight, concentrate. The question is, you have been working hard. Which tense? Which tense? Which tense?
Present perfect continuous tense.
Present perfect continuous is right or wrong?
Right.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Right or wrong?
Right.
Absolutely right. Tense ended. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck.
My name is Shraddha Jain Thazare and I'm studying in Bhavan Se Achwadia High School.
How was the experience of 30-second grammar teaching about tenses?
Yeah, it was excellent, and what we say means we can't imagine like in 30 seconds how he can explain, but we understand what he was explaining.
Will this lecture help you in your board exam?
Definitely, because we understand what he explains and we can remember what he was telling.
I study in SCD Barfiwala High School.
Name?
I am Neha Lohar.
How was the experience of 30-second grammar teaching about tenses?
It was good because the grammar which take us to learn days and days, because of the sir, we can learn in few seconds. So it was good.
Will the lecture help you in your board exam?
Yes, definitely. Because of the sir's formula and his teaching style, we can just be understood us. So.
What is the difference between the previous teaching and the right now? The differences between both the teaching?
The previous teacher used to teach slowly and with details and not with any formula. So we don't used to understand much quickly. But because of the sir and his formula, I can understand.
I'm Russell Mascarenhas, studying in St. Joseph's High School at Juhu.
Russell, how was the experience today of 30 seconds grammar teaching?
Well, the experience was quite good because solving sentences in 30 seconds definitely help in curtailing your time for the exam. So it's quite good.
And what is the differences between the other teaching lectures and this lecture?
Well, the other teachers, you have to do it like seeing, and it doesn't happen everything in 30 seconds. So this helps us in cutting our time in the exam, and so we can finish our paper early. Good time management and everything.
Do you think this will help you in your board exam?
Yeah, definitely, absolutely it will help us.
My name is CK Sahil.
Sahil, give your introduction.
I am from Shriram Welfare Society High School.
So how was your experience today in 30 seconds
Yeah,
teaching?
it was pretty good to learn grammar in just 30 seconds. And by using the formulas of Mr. Sinhas, it will help in board exams.
It will help you. Do you think
Yes,
it
sir.
will help you?
Yeah, yes, definitely.
So
So you understand what he teaches you in
Yeah,
30
yeah.
seconds? Can
Yeah.
you understand all that?
Yeah.